beautiful girls.
Yep.
Exactly, very kind people and beautiful girls.
The best parties, so come here and party with us.
I don't think people should come to Sweden. I think they should go to different countries like Spain, maybe Italy. Go to different countries like Spain, maybe Italy.
Country. It starts at like 1 o'clock at the night, and it's
$100 or mystery gift.
oh no, Sweden is the worst country ever. Come Dubai. Yes, Dubai.
About it, that it's really great. Engelska svenska. It's a really nice city.
Because it's very kind people here and beautiful people. Yes.
Hey.
Come here.
Come to Dubai.
Come to Dubai. Habibi. Habibi, come to Dubai.
Okay.
Engelska, snälla.
In Sweden,
Engelska, ja.
in Sweden we have the best party.
Hey.
Good thing about Stockholm, nobody cares. Nobody cares what you're wearing.
Skirt is a Gina, and heels are mango.
Vad som är bra i Sverige.
På engelska.
I agree.
She agree with me. Yeah, of course.
So come here and party with us.
Yeah, we're very fun to party with, and every girls in Sweden, we are very beautiful.
Nothing is nice in Sweden.
And yeah, the nightlife, it starts very early.
I don't know. Nightlife Stockholm. We love Stockholm. Stockholm. It's a really nice city.
And when everybody's drunk in Sweden, they're happy and very sociable.
When the summer is out, when the sun is out, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's
Are you recording?
Yes.
Yes.
Don't come here!
Folket är inte snälla.
Don't come here!
Kom inte här.
No.